Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the classic Rebel Blockade Runner from Star Wars. This is a Bandai Spirits release from 2018. Part of their series that I say makes good palette cleansers. Nice and quick and easy to put together. So let's have a quick look at it. There's the box art on front. And you see there is some instructions there telling you a little bit about the kit. I picked it up for $19 at Neo Tokyo here in London. And yeah, so that's basically the front. Let's open her up. I've already taken the bags out the sprues. First and foremost, as always with these series of kits, the instructions are inside the box, along with the paint guide. Fairly straightforward instructions, not a high part count here. So just be aware of that. But again, nice and quick and easy, something to put up on the display case. The standard Bandai stand. Nice set of decals, stickers these ones are. So be aware. Yes, actual stickers, kids. If you want to paint it, you'll have to break out the red paint and the masking. All right. Only two sprues here. First one's A1, consisting of a lot of the main body and the engines. Here we go. Again, as usual, beautiful molding by Bandai. Every time I open a Bandai kit, I'm just continually impressed. And then the top A2 is some weapons and some more assemblies. I'm going to turn this one around so you can see. Again, they advertise these as almost snap fit, and the fit is that good, providing you sand correctly. So yeah, very quick and very easy little kit. Makes an ideal palette cleanser. So again, that is the Rebel Blockade Runner from Bandai Spirits, kit number vehicle model 14. Still quite commonly available. Well worth the price of getting. And it looks like it's going to build up to make a nice looking kit. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, we have the scalemodelpodcast.com if you want to check that out as well. Thank you and be well.